Hey, what's up? Tony from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Thanks for watching this quick video. And back of me, we just got the front bumper cover for the 2005 BMW 545i. We got the M5 body kit here from Duraflex. We got the rear lip, the rear trunk lip, and also the front M5 body kit. So let's go ahead, cut it open, get a closer look, and see what we got. The body kit's in pretty good condition. We're going to go ahead and give it an overall look right now, see how the quality is. We'll give you some sheet metal screws, but we're going to need a lot more than this, and we'll show you exactly how to put this together. I also have the rear lip here. I actually have two of them. Here is the other rear lip that we dry fitted the other day. And I also have another one, but we're probably going to be using this one here. So let's just get a closer look at both of these body kits here, because when you get body kits like this, you're going to need a little bit of modification, you know, sometimes. As we take a close look up on this area here, you're going to see it's, you know, kind of cracked up a little bit. It needs a little bit of filler to smoothen it out. We're going to actually go over this whole thing with a flat block and make sure we have, you know, non-ripply finishes here, because if you just paint this the way it is now, it's not going to look quality. You know, it's going to look like a cheap kit. See, just areas like this, it's going to need a little bit of work. You can see how it's not perfect. Let's try to, there's the grill area up in here. See if we could get a better look. As you can see, it's going to need some filler in here, so we're going to actually go over this with some 80 grit. Looks like we have a minor crack in here. If we take a look at the bottom area, you're going to see that you see the quality's not the best, you know, but it's not bad. We're going to make this thing look like a good fit, you know, but it does have the look. It's a nice looking kit. Let's take a look at the back. Alright, so we have our Extreme Dimensions logo there. We're going to pop this grill out, basically just pull these back. Let's just do it right now, since I got you on the camera. Basically pull these back so we can pop the grill out pretty simply. More else we got hooked right over here. Down in here. Down here. Down there. Looks like it. Okay, we put this on last after it's painted, this way we don't have to go tape it up and stuff. Alright, so we just pop that out for now. Alright, so here's overall the body kit, which is going to be going on this Beamer right here. Here's our rear lip. So that's how it basically looks lined up. We're going to go ahead and pull our bumper cover off next and start dry fitting our front cover here.